Good morning children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja digital classes. In previous class we have completed try these numbers and place value table of Indian and international number system. Today let us study about the topic knowing our numbers exercise 1.1. Before starting exercise 1.1 we learn the comparison between Indian and international systems of representing numbers. International system and Indian system. International system. Unit. Indian system unit. 10 10. 100 100. 1000 1000. 10,000 10,000. International system 100,000. Indian system lakh. International system million. Indian system 10 lakh. International system 10 million. Indian system crore. International system 100 million. Indian system 10 crore. Billion in international system, 100 crore in Indian system. 10 billion in international system, 1000 crore in Indian system. Dear children, today let us study about the topic knowing our numbers. Exercise 1.1. The first main fill in the blanks. The first question 1 lakh is equal to how many 10,000? Do you know? What is the answer children? 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. The next question 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. 100,000. So 1 million is equal to how many 100,000? 100,000. The next question 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakh. How many lakh children? Yes, 10 lakh. The fourth question 1 crore is equal to dash million. How many millions children? Yes, 10 millions. The next question 1 million is equal to dash lakh. How many lakh? 10 lakh. The next main, place commas correctly and write the numerals. The first question 73 lakh 73 lakh 75,000 75,300 307. See children, place commas correctly. So you know first 100 place 107. Here there is no tens place. So after 100 you put the comma 300. So 1000 lakh, see 73 lakh comma 75,000 comma 307. Okay children. So 73 lakh write it. 73 lakh put the comma. 75,000 put the comma. Then 300 there is no tens place, so you put the 0 there. Again in ones place or unit place 7. So 73,75,307. The next question, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. See, observe it. Here crore after lakh after, there is no number in the 10,000 place and 1,000 place, even 100 place also. So first you write 9 crore, put the comma, then 5 lakh, there is no 10 lakh place, so put 0, again 5 lakh, again comma, then there is no number in the 1,000 and 10,000 place, put it 2 zeros, again 100 place also there is no number, again 41. Okay, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. The next question, 7 crore 52 lakh 21,000 300 302. See, 7 crore, right, as it is 7 crore, then 52 lakh, then 21,000, okay, 300. There is no number in the tens place, so you put the 0 there. Again in unit place 2. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. The next question, 58 million 400 23,000 200 202. See here, 58 million. Write it as it is, 58 million. Again 400 23,000 after 3. In the international system, you make the 3 groups, 3 numbers group. So 423,200. There is no number in the 100 tens place, so write it 20, again 2. 58 million 423,202. The next question, 23 lakh 30,000 10. See, 23 lakh. Write it, 23 lakh after comma 30,000 after comma, then 10. 10 means there is no number in the 100 place, so you put the 0 in 100 place. Again 10. 23 lakh 30,000 10. The next main, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Here children, we write the Indian number system. You know the Indian place value table, no? So like that you should write the numbers in number in words. First you write once again to put the commas. 8, 7, 5, 9, again 5, 7, 6, 2. So you know Indian system, first 3 digit, after 2 digit. So ones, tens, hundreds, after you put the comma. Again 1000 and 10,000 after 1 comma. Lakh, 10 lakh after 1 comma. Now read it. Read this number, children. It is a 100 ones group. It is a 1000 group. It is a lakh group, and it is a crore. So 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. So now you write in the number in words. 8 crore, put the comma, 8 crore 75 lakh 75 lakh. Next 95,000 95,000 762. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. The next question, 8, 5, 4, 6, 2, 8, 3. Again same thing, repeat the numbers once again. 8, 5, 4, 6, 2, 8, 3. First 3 digit after 1 comma, again 2 digit after 1 comma. So 85 lakh 46,283. Write it in number in words. 85 lakh 46,000 200 83. The next question, 9 9 9 0 0 0 4 6. Write once again. First 3 digit after 1 comma, again 2 digit, again 2 digit. So 9 crore 99 lakh 0,046. So 9 crore 99 lakh 0,000, leave it, and 46, because there is no number in the 10,000, 1000 and also 100 place. So 9 crore 99 lakh 46. The next question, D1, 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 7, 0, 1. Again repeat the same number once again and put the commas. First 3 digit after 1 comma, again 2 digit after 1 comma, again 2 digit after 1 comma. So, what is the number, children? 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. So, now write in the number in words. 9 crore 9 crore 84 lakh 32,000 701. See once again, 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. There is no number in the tens place, so we write 100 after unit. So 701. Yes. Next, fourth main. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. The first question is 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 9, 2. So here also same, you repeat the numbers once again. 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 9, 2. So you know the International System of Numeration, no children? So first 3 digit only in Indian system, but here all the 3 numbers after we put the commas. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million. Now read the numbers, children. 78 million, 78 million, 900, 21,000, 92, 92. See once again, 78,921,000. There is no number in the 100 place. So because there is 0, so again in the tens place 9, in the unit place 2. So 92. The second question, 7, 4, 5, 2, again 2, 8, 3. Repeat the numbers once again. 7, 4, 5, 2, 2, 8, 3. First 3 digit, again first 3 digit, remaining 3 digit. So 7,452,283. See, write in the number in words. 7 million 452,000 comma 283. The next question, 7 9 9 9 8 5 1 0 2. Repeat the numbers once again. 9 9 9 8 5 1 0 2. So you put the commas 3 digit after. So read this number. 99,985,102. So write in the number in words. 99 million comma 985,102. The next D question number D. 4804981. See, repeat once again. 8049831. First 3 comma, again remaining 3 comma. Same thing. 48 million. Here there is no number in the 100 place. Leave it. 49,831. So write it in the number in words. 48 million comma 49,831. So children, we have completed today's class. Write the maths classwork neatly in horizontal 200 pages book. Thank you. Have a nice day.